This video will show you how do you record Teams meeting. If you want to record your meeting, then you must first join or start with your Teams meeting as usual. Only organizers or people from the same organization can start a recording. Next is click on the More button, the three dots on the top toolbar, then select Start Recording. It must display when you start a meeting. Everyone in the meeting will see a notification that recording has started, and for privacy and compliance. To stop is to click the More button again and select Stop Recording. The recording will automatically save to OneDrive or SharePoint. You'll get a link in the meeting chat or calendar event just to click to view, then download or share the file. That's it on how to record your team meeting in Microsoft